You the moose dog? Who is it? Who is it, moose dog? Moose killer. Come on. Come on, you moose killing dog. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Who is it? Moose killer. Who is it, Pupper dog? Uh-oh. That's a baby moose. You're just a baby, Rusty. Crazy dog. You'll be doing that if Mama shows up. Come on, Rusty. That baby's like, I will crush you, you meat stick. Where's the mama? You're lucky that I'm out here with that fence. I don't see the mama. Huh. You're such a killer dog. You're just a moose hunting machine. Oh, there's Mama. Mama says ain't gonna be no business. Mama says, what's up? What's up? Oh, she got another one with her. It's a little moose family. She says, I think maybe I could smash your noggin. Yeah, Mama's, she's like, what's up? What's up? She's gonna get her babies out. They're moving out sharply. Moose killer. Come on, moose killer. Rusty, come here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Rusty, get over here. Come here. Let's go. Come on. Come on, moose killer. Come on, let's go.